actually Fluid MCP,
Okay.
which was basically a registry. There are about if you go to random registries, you'll get like 5,000, like hundreds of MCPs.
Right.
But what we did was basically we created an MCP registry of verified packages.
Okay.
Which is basically any registry which has, it's a registry which has a set of packages that have been vetted by our teams.
Okay.
And then there's an 8-step AI process that runs to check that the package has no injection in it, no
Got
tricks in it. And therefore, this becomes a more safer space to download and use MCPs.
Got it. So it's almost like pre-vetted MCP service.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
Exactly.
And how many packages does it have right now? And about how many MCPs?
So we have about 100.
Okay.
And we keep adding more every day as we move on.
Okay. And then how does this be used by like an enterprise? Is it just open source? You just go online and start using it?
So the registry is publicly available.
Okay.
You can submit packages as well for approval. You can just download the package and use it. Or we've actually built something which is open source, which is called Fluid MCP.
Okay.
Which is the package manager part for the MCP, which is essentially a command line that allows you to run these MCPs quickly.
Okay.
Right? Because to run an MCP, basically, you need to download the MCP, then you need to figure out the right command to run the MCP.
Okay.
And then you need to add that MCP to whatever agentic system you're using.
Okay.
But to make that whole process easier, you just have this command line package, which it has a bunch of fun commands, right? So you could just install Fluid MCP using pip install.
Okay.
And then you can just install additional packages like from the registry.
Okay, from the Fluid MCP registry.
Okay. But it can run custom packages as well. So if you have packages that are not in the registry but you want to run them, you can just go ahead and run them, and then you just provide the JSON file of the format and you say run, and it just spins up a server with the MCPs running securely behind a token.
Got it.
So it allows you to run remote MCPs securely, quickly, efficiently.
Sort of like almost like a sandbox or a testbed.
Testbed, and can be used in production as well.
Got you. So you then, if everything's working out okay, you then move it to production and you can continue using the same.
Correct.
All right.